Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making crispy chicken wings with the sauce. You may cut the wings or leave them whole, then place them in the fridge uncovered on a rack. For those who are cutting the wings, cut them into two parts, that is a drumette and a flat. A warm welcome to the new viewers. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. You may pat them dry after cutting them, then place them in a bowl. Season them with salt and pepper. Followed by garlic powder, onion powder, and soy sauce. Massage the chicken so that the seasoning gets in. Use your clean hand. Cover the bowl with a cling wrap or a kitchen cloth and set it in the fridge for 1 hour. Let's make the sauce. Fry the red onion for about 2 minutes, stirring in between. Add the brown sugar and stir. Add the chopped garlic cloves and stir. Cook for 1 minute. Add the chopped red chili peppers and stir. Allow them to blend for 1 minute. Add the soy sauce and stir. Reduce the sauce for 10 minutes uncovered on low heat. Add chopped scallions or green onion, then followed by the fresh lemon juice. The original recipe is unthickened, but I thickened mine. Switch off the heat after adding the juice and keep the sauce warm. In a separate pan, heat the oil to fry the chicken. Meanwhile, in a bowl, place cornstarch or cornflour, then add the baking powder and mix them. Dip the chicken into the flour, then place it on a plate or a tray. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Once the oil is hot, fry the chicken until it's golden. We are frying on high heat. A big thank you to my returning subscribers. You are the best. Put the fried pieces on a clean rack to avoid cross-contamination. There should be a baking pan underneath to catch the drippings. Once you are done frying all of them, increase the temperature of the oil and fry them again for only 2 minutes. I will leave in the description box the temperatures for those who are using thermometers. This is done to crisp them and to brown them. Turn them over to make sure that all sides are browned. Here I forgot to add the salt when I was cooking the sauce. Pour the sauce on the wings, or you may serve it on the side bowl. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. Garnish them with coriander leaves or mint leaves, that's optional. I hope you will enjoy these wings. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.